one more thing. I got to say this. Some of y'all are too comfortable saying that you're okay with people going to hell because you dislike them. Bro, you mock Christ. Can I say that again? You mock Christ. You mock what his wrath is. You talk cool. Yeah, but you know, let me just hit on for everybody. Some of y'all are thinking and hoping that Hitler never makes it to heaven because that wouldn't be justice to you. And I'm just going to tell you a little secret. You like justice for everybody else, but not yourself. And that's why you preach it so hard. Because if you actually liked it like you like it for yourself, you would preach mercy. Because how many guys could testify for yourself? You always cry mercy. Anyone in here? I always cry mercy. And some of us will look at people and we rejoice at the idea that people would be burning in hell. Oh yeah, that would be the spot for them. Oh, you mock the wrath of God, forgetting his mercy in your life. You mock him. You boast in your own judgment seat. You sit on his throne. You wear your own crown. And you say, that's the bad guy, that's the good guy. That's crazy talk.